Hi, I'm Justin Wright, owner of Continental Carpentry Components. At Continental Carpentry Components, we specialize in meeting the construction and component manufacturing needs of clients all over the Midwest and recently the East Coast. At Continental Carpentry, our goal has always been 100% customer satisfaction, and we work hard to make sure customers get a great product at a great price, which is why last year, due to increased demand and age of existing equipment, we made the decision to upgrade one of our older component saws. When we started looking at newer systems, we thought we would need to buy one saw and upgrade another saw just to meet our production needs. But after speaking with a sales rep at Enventek, we realized that just one Retro C could outcut and even exceed the throughput of our two older saws. When we first installed our Retro C and started cutting, we were amazed at how fast this saw could set up and accurately cut lumber. Gone are the days of having to manually move the carriage to the correct length, wait for the blades to move into position, and then manually load the boards. The Retro C automatically moves the carriage and feeds itself lumber from the attached infeed conveyor. The speed at which this saw can run in auto mode is really amazing. All our sawyers have to do is make sure lumber is loaded and sorted properly and then be ready to stack it after it's been cut. As the owner here at Continental Carpentry, I am extremely pleased with how seamlessly this saw integrates with our design softwares, so our sawyers can quickly and easily load new jobs as soon as they are approved by the front office. I also appreciate the ease in which my staff was able to learn, operate, and maintain the saw. I am glad to see how easy it is to perform service on the saw and reach customer service when needed. It has a great deal of versatility and capacity, which is allowing us to utilize it for cuts previously made on other saws. The Retro C truly has been a game changer for us. We used to be limited by the amount of wood we could cut in a day, but now we have increased throughput so much that we are hiring more guys in assembly and accepting more jobs, which is always good for business. To anyone considering a Retro C, my recommendation is that you go see one in service. You will realize, just as we did, that this is a vital piece of equipment for you to be successful as a component manufacturer in the future.